Guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to understand how to enter an income which may be present in the list, or if you are asked to add another income which is not present already in the list. There are several incomes which we are required to add in accounts. For example, you have received rent. Since you are receiving your rent, it is your income. So you are needed to add this sort of income in Zoho accounts. It may be possible you want to add commission received, interest received. So these sort of indirect incomes you need to add in Zoho books. So today we will see if a title of income is already present in the list, how you will add. And then we will see if title of account is not present in Zoho books, then how you will add your specific income. Either title is already present or it's absent. In both ways, first step is to go to sales. And as you know, here we have sales. What I have told you, if income title is present or absent, in both ways you will click sales. So I'm going to click it. So after clicking, I have a list drop down menu, and what I will do here, I have invoices. So you will click over here, but instead of clicking invoices, you can directly click to plus. Otherwise, you will have to go for new. So I'm going to click invoices. So here you can see that after clicking plus, what I have told you, you will have to click plus. Now the first step is to add over here your customer name. Obviously in this case customer nature is little different. For example, you want to receive rent. The person from whom you have received this rent, you will add the name of that person over here. If that name is already present, you will choose, otherwise you can add. So I'm going to click over here. Since I have already mentioned that you can add your name of person. Look, I have one person already added. In case if you are asked to add a new person or the person from whom you are receiving your rent, both ways are available over here. If old person you are receiving rent from him, you can just click over blue line. If name is not present, what you will do, you will add a new customer. To save your time, just write down the name and nickname. The customer would be saved. So in exam, in quiz, if you are asked to add a new customer, you will just click over here in new customer, and then just by putting the name, no phone number is required, no address is required, no NTN number, no tax number. If you are skipping everything, you can add a new customer name. So I have told you old name or new name. In both cases, you can add. And here since our target is to add income, here our target is not to add new customers. So I am going to click the customer which is already present. So here I have selected. You can see that now my customer has been added. The next step is to, this has automatically filled, invoice number is filled, you can write order number, invoice date is already selected, and now this is very important step over here. Click and select the item. So what I was saying, we can add an item which is already present, or you can add new item. Let's say there are two incomes, rent received and commission received. I'm going to click over here. In my list you can see rent received is already present. So simply you will select it, you will write the amount, and finally over here you can save and send, which is present over here at this place, save and send. In case if you have already the title of income present in your account, since rent is already present, so simply you will click over here, then you will write the amount and save. Here we will now learn, if you are asked to add an income which is not present in your list, so next step would be you will add that new item. I'm going to click over here. After clicking, again you will see that a full-fledged form would be opened, and here since commission received was not present, so I'm going to write commission received over here, and let's say 1000 rupees of commission received rate is, and you may write it in general income. So please note it down, we are not recording sale, we are recording general income. I'm going to click general income. As you can see that detail is what? Services. The very first step you have taken, you are going to have services, then name of your income, and then its title, amount. This you will be adding accordingly. So here I'm going to click services. Since rent received is not a good, rent received is your first service, commission received, new title you have added. In your exam, if you are asked to add interest received, commission received, discount received, so any sort of income, you will just write down the name and then you will add the amount. Category would be chosen as general income, and after that you will come over here. This save would be clicked. Item has been added. Okay, so guys, you can see that this item has already been appeared over here, commission receipts. So simply I will write down the amount. Now I am going to let you see that if your item commission received has already been added and amount is already added, over here you can save, or I will show you that a new transaction can also be made. So simply what I will do, 1000 was the rate, you can see automatically appeared over here. Secondly, commission received was not present earlier, and we have automatically added commission received. Amount is okay. Now the first step is just to save. Before saving, you will say that we have received our payment, and simply you will click over here. So cash has already been received, new item was added, commission received, and finally we are going to save it. So guys, in this way your income has been added, and you can see that successfully added to your rent received. Detail is very clear and you have received the payment. So guys, once again I'm going to tell you, you will go to sale account, first step, and since our item has already been added, you will go to invoices. Do not click plus, and over here you will have this new. Just click over here and okay, once again I'm going to click sales and plus your page has been opened. Initially when we have clicked over here item detail, only rent received was present. Since we have added commission received as well, so what I will do, I'm going to click over here and you will see that rent received was already present and now commission received would also be present. So let's see. Here you can see that initially only rent received was present and now commission received is also present and we have already entered. So guys, in this way you have seen that if items are already present, you can choose it. If items are not present, you will go to add new item. So in exam, if you will be asked to enter any new name, you will choose this. If any income is already present in your list, you will choose one of these items. In this way, your income would be recorded. So I'm sure that you people have understood how to add any income in your Zoho books. If you feel anything difficult, you are very welcome to share your problem. I will humbly be trying my best to answer your question quickly. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.